In a world where AI technology reigns supreme, video creators face a dilemma reminiscent of Jurassic Park. We are witnessing the rise of a new creature that is changing the course of history: AI. Will our creative efforts become obsolete, or will they thrive more than ever before? The state of video AI is a double-edged sword, raising concerns about human creativity, but also delivering incredible tools for video production. To stay ahead, video creators must adapt and collaborate. Through AI, creators can enhance their storytelling, which will lead to endless possibilities. Together, we will pave the way for a new generation. A new era dawns. The adoption of AI will lead a new generation of creators, increasing the availability of art, stories, and creativity for all, leveraging the next level of creative storytelling. Let us not fear the rise of video AI. Instead, let's wield its power and forge a new era of storytelling. Together, we can adapt, survive, and thrive in this new era.
Doesn't that have serious epic levels within just 1 minute? Welcome to Video State. On this channel, I'll teach you how to create binge-worthy video content. So like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you want some more. Now, everything you saw in that video is a result of what I teach here on my channel. The script was crafted with the assistance of ChatGPT, and it truly helped me enhance my story and use of words. Text-to-image generators are your best friend to bring your ideas to life visually. It can transform your concept into stunning visuals that capture the essence of your narrative. Let's not forget the trailer flow. It was carefully crafted to build excitement and give you a taste of something, a new era in this case, that is to come. Sign up now for the new era. Also, the eye-catching title sequence, inspired by Marvel, you witnessed at the end, was designed to keep your attention. So as you can see, thought and effort went into creating this video, but it all went really smooth with the help of AI. If you want to stay updated with the latest insights in video creation, then I encourage you to hit that subscribe button and join a community of learners. Thanks for watching. See you next week. I'll be back.